I doubt Tom will consent to do that. I doubt Tom will consent to do that. Do you really expect Tom to do that? Do you really expect Tom to do that? I know Tom is determined to do that. I know Tom is determined to do that. I don't think that Tom will do that. I don't think that Tom will do that. Does Tom know Mary wants to do that? Does Tom know Mary wants to do that? I suspect Tom didn't have to do that. I suspect Tom didn't have to do that. I suspect Tom didn't need to do that. I suspect Tom didn't need to do that. I suspect Tom didn't want to do that. I suspect Tom didn't want to do that. I suspect Tom isn't planning to do that. I suspect Tom isn't planning to do that. I suspect Tom isn't eager to do that. I suspect Tom isn't eager to do that. I suspect Tom isn't going to do that. I suspect Tom isn't going to do that. I'm not strong enough to do that yet. I'm not strong enough to do that yet. Tom was unwilling to help me do that. Tom was unwilling to help me do that. Tom was very sure Mary could do that. Tom was very sure Mary could do that. I've decided not to do that with Tom. I've decided not to do that with Tom. Tom will do that every day next week. Tom will do that every day next week. Tom has already been told to do that. Tom has already been told to do that. Why can't Tom and I do that together? Why can't Tom and I do that together? Tom has decided to do that after all. Tom has decided to do that after all. Do you think Tom intended to do that? Do you think Tom intended to do that? I'm still waiting for Tom to do that. I'm still waiting for Tom to do that. Perhaps Tom won't be able to do that. Perhaps Tom won't be able to do that. I'm reluctant to tell Tom to do that. I'm reluctant to tell Tom to do that. I can't do that, and Tom can't either. I can't do that, and Tom can't either. I had trouble getting Tom to do that. I had trouble getting Tom to do that. I suspect Tom doesn't have to do that. I suspect Tom doesn't have to do that. I suspect Tom doesn't need to do that. I suspect Tom doesn't need to do that. I suspect Tom doesn't want to do that. I suspect Tom doesn't want to do that. I suspect Tom is reluctant to do that. I suspect Tom is reluctant to do that. I suspect Tom isn't afraid to do that. I suspect Tom isn't afraid to do that. I suspect Tom isn't likely to do that. I suspect Tom isn't likely to do that. We should probably ask Tom to do that. We should probably ask Tom to do that. Tom was very sure Mary should do that. Tom was very sure Mary should do that. I assured Tom that I wouldn't do that. I assured Tom that I wouldn't do that. I've advised Tom not to do that again. I've advised Tom not to do that again. I've already asked Tom not to do that. I've already asked Tom not to do that. If I don't do that, Tom probably will. If I don't do that, Tom probably will. It's not likely that Tom will do that. It's not likely that Tom will do that. It isn't likely that Tom will do that. It isn't likely that Tom will do that. I was surprised Tom wanted to do that. I was surprised Tom wanted to do that. Are you certain that Tom will do that? Are you certain that Tom will do that? I suspect Tom is determined to do that. I suspect Tom is determined to do that. I suspect that Tom would never do that. I suspect that Tom would never do that. I'm not sure that anyone would do that. I'm not sure that anyone would do that. I'm the only person who didn't do that. I'm the only person who didn't do that. Tom hasn't been advised to do that yet. Tom hasn't been advised to do that yet. Tom hasn't yet been advised to do that. Tom hasn't yet been advised to do that. I wasn't aware that Tom should do that. I wasn't aware that Tom should do that. I didn't do that, and Tom didn't either. I didn't do that, and Tom didn't either. I've already taught Tom how to do that. I've already taught Tom how to do that.